my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so tip is on and cut down and shaped and blended. So coming in with the Nail Prep and the Ultra Bond Platinum. Super sticky sided tape, double-sided tape bonder. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm getting a bit silly now. This is my last video of the day and
we have been on the go since 9 o'clock this morning.
Just want a cup of tea and a piece of cake, to be honest. However, I do think I have saved the best video till last. Because I'm doing steampunk, guys.
Woo!
Friggin' love steampunk. Oh. Napkin. Now, I have only ever partaken in steampunk once. However, then COVID happened and, you know, the whole world went to poo. So
we are hoping to go this year.
No, I won't be going this year. I need months of planning my outfit, and I'd made a start on my outfit.
Hang on, we can still go. We just don't have to be in costume.
Yes, you do. It's all the fun of it. But I started working on my costume at the start of lockdown, and made a good go of it. But then obviously I lost a load of weight, didn't I? So my dress is ridiculously massive on me now. So.
It might fit me.
No, it's huge, babe. I think you forget how fat I was. Okay, so I'm coming in with Blossom at the Cuticle. And this is
my favourite of the core powders.
Nice, isn't it? And just for a little bit of background colour, because we're going to be putting a nice amount of cogs and glitter and all sorts. But I want a nice nude on the nail bed. Right, so I'm going to add some black. Now this black is ridiculously pigmented, so tiny beads, guys, tiny beads. We can build it up. I'm going to pop this right at the tip and then just slowly drag this up. And to be honest, I'm not even sure I'm going to need much more than this, you know.
That really is pigmented black.
Yeah. So black is an absolute nightmare to blend into another colour. However, we are going to be adding all the cogs and stuff on here, so I'm not stressing too much about the blend. I just want the colour down there. And then we'll just soften it a little bit. Right, so let's get rid of the black, because I don't want any more black on there. However, I have got out Fiesta and Toffee. So I know Toffee is from the Au Chocolat. Couldn't tell you which collection Festive is from. But one's gold, one's champagne. They're all going to kind of blend in with the steampunk cogs. And again, I'm just adding small amounts of this, especially this gold glitter. I'm literally just adding a couple of hints of that.
So that's a really fine glitter, isn't it?
Yeah, so just a couple of hints of that. This one, I love this one so much. Too much there. So again, I don't just want it all gold. I wanted to bring in a couple of other. This is more of a rose gold, isn't it?
Mm.
Because the cogs are gold and rose gold. They're so beautiful. Right, so I need to figure out which cogs I'm going to be popping in here. So let's have a look. We'll definitely go for one of those watch things. I love that cog. How cute is that one? What else have we got in here? That's very classic steampunk, isn't it? That bloody fly, man. I've left all the doors and windows open for it, but it's not going out. And I'd hate to have to get the fly spray out. But it's looking that way. Right, do we think that would be enough? It is only a dinky nail, isn't it? Well, you're all right saying that one there, babe, but you just...
It's going to be massive, isn't it? No, the one underneath it.
Underneath that one? It's huge, babe.
Okay.
I am going to, because I need to film another extreme nail, so I need to go all in with the length and the shape. So I'm going to do a steampunk nail on myself at some point. And it's going to be mega long, and there are going to be so... I'll probably use that whole pot of cogs, to be honest. Just chuck them all in. Right. Let's zoom in a bit while we're popping these. So I'm going to use clear acrylic to adhere these. Is it raining? Or is that just the trees? Is it just the trees?
It might be the trees, but I'm not sure.
Right, so I'm going to pop a blob there. And get this cog in there and really press that down into it. I'm going to get another little bit of acrylic just to the left, the lower left of it. And I'm going to go for this watch piece here, and I'm going to overlap those two. Really press that in. And let's go for... We'll go for the larger of the two cogs down here, I think. And then do you think the other one here?
Wherever.
Oh, this is going to look pretty. Another tiny little bit of acrylic. I'll pop that on these gold flakes, I reckon. Guys, if you can hear that fly on the camera, I'm so sorry. It's
starting to drive me nuts.
Big bugger. I'm hoping I can say
it's a beastie.
Yeah. Right, so I'm just going to let that set for a second. They've sat really nice and flat. And then this all just needs capping in clear. Tommy's talking to me again. Yeah, I think I might do some dragon-shaped steampunk nails. Well, so I live in Lincoln, and we're very blessed to have such rich heritage in our city. It's full of amazing historical stuff. Like the Magna Carta, we have the Magna Carta here.
The first ever tank in the museum.
Yeah, and Lincoln Castle is very, very important. Lincoln Castle played a huge role in why we're not speaking French. I'm not great with my history of Lincoln. However, my friend has been telling me all about it. So my friend works up at Lincoln Castle. And at some point in history, there was some lady that lived there that was like in charge of it all. See, this is how good I am at history. I'd never be a tour guide. Well, if it weren't for her, when I think this was the second Battle of Lincoln in 1217, here's a little history lesson for you guys. If it weren't for this woman, Lincoln Castle would have fallen, and had Lincoln Castle fallen, the French would have taken over England, and we'd all be speaking French right now. Le français. Which is good because I actually don't know any French. I think it was when King Louis was in charge of something. I don't know. That's probably completely incorrect. I'm not very good at history. I'm not very good at Lincoln history, and I should be. I've lived here all my life.
But then that castle then went on to become a prison.
Yeah. Still, well, they've still got the courthouse there, haven't they?
It's the oldest working Crown Court in the
That's the
UK.
one, Crown Court. Yeah. But it's such a lovely place. Lincoln Castle is so beautiful. And I don't know. Are you born and bred Lincoln?
Me? No, I was born in Hong Kong and brought up in Coventry.
No, I'm a proper yellow belly. That's what we call ourselves. If you're a proper Lincolner, you're a yellow belly. Which actually isn't a compliment. Do you know what yellow belly means?
Cowardice, isn't
Coward, yeah. So I'm a coward. But yeah, I've lived here all my life. And I think because I've lived here all my life, I've never truly appreciated the history and the beauty of the city and everything. But yeah, my friend, she's a tour guide at the castle. So she's been teaching me all about it. How did we get talking about the castle?
Because you are going to explain now why the castle and this nail tie themselves together.
Well, no.
Because
that's where we do steampunk.
We have an amazing steampunk festival in Lincoln.
Yeah, but I don't think
every year that the castle is the backdrop of
yeah,
the
but
festival.
I don't think there's any like historical link as to
isn't.
why we have steampunk there. I think it's just
the
a nice venue.
The castle is the major backdrop for the steampunk festival.
Yes. So when I did steampunk pre-COVID, oh my God, my nails were like this long, weren't they? They were ridiculously long and had all these cogs in and they were green. Me and my husband and my kids, we all had matching outfits.
It was great. You all look fantastic.
Oh, it was so hot though. So I'm in this massive black and green ball gown.
It was the hottest weekend of the year that week.
Come on, try. Right, I'm going to let this nail dry and then we'll get it found up and now we'll be back to top coat it. I've just remembered why we were talking about Lincoln Castle. Dragon. I'm going to do dragon nails. I said I was going to do an extreme steampunk nail in the theme of a dragon. Because at Lincoln Castle at the minute, we've got Lucy the Dragon. So they've built this massive dragon and it looks like it's bursting through the walls of Lincoln Castle. And they've called it Lucy. And do you know why they've called it Lucy?
Lucy Tower.
Because of Lucy Tower.
Because that's where it's coming out of the wall.
Yeah, so there's a part of Lincoln Castle called Lucy Tower, which I believe...
where they used to hang people.
They used to do all the hangings, yeah. And there was... again, oh my God, guys, I'm giving you the worst history lesson ever. There was a woman called Priscilla. I've just remembered the last name. Priscilla Biggerdike. Priscilla Biggerdike was the last woman to be hung in Lincoln. She was arrested and sent to be hung for killing her husband, for poisoning her husband. And she protested her innocence right the way through. And the day, I think it was the day after she was hung, the husband's doctor confessed that it was actually him that had been poisoning him.
Was it the doctor or was it the lodger?
Some other geezer.
Some other man.
Some geezer confessed to killing this man. Oh, hang on a minute. I reckon I've got this wrong, you know. So she did die, but she didn't get hung. She was, I'm going to get real morbid now, guys, because they used to do short hangings at the time. So it meant that the ropes were a lot shorter, so you didn't die instantly. And she was so mortified that she was going to be short hung in front of everybody because it was public hangings. She actually hung herself in her cell the night before.
But they still hung her. Because they still hung her.
How can you hang a dead body?
They hung her dead body because...
the public uproar.
Public uproar.
Yeah. Could you imagine back, like in these days now, that was your form of entertainment? Here, fam, let's go down to the castle. Not that I ever speak like that. Let's go down to the castle and watch someone be hung.
Oh, it's quite joyful to watch some paedophiles and rapists get hung.
Well, no, I don't think I could actually, no matter how bad they are.
I'd offer to do it for them. Can we draw and quarter them as well?
I think we should do terrible history lessons every time we every time we do a nail. Yeah. We should put our own spin on a history lesson. Guys, I'm really sorry if anything I've told you is incorrect.
At the end of this video, if you'd like to put anything in history that you would like us to completely get wrong and make up and
put our
just
own
make it
twist
really,
on it.
Put our own twist on it. Put your comments in the boxes underneath.
Lisa and Sam's horrible histories stories.
Oh no, we can't use horrible histories because there is horrible histories.
Oh, there's them books, isn't there?
Which are hilarious.
Hideous
actually.
histories.
No, it's horrible histories.
No, they're completely incorrect history
completely
stories.
incorrect history. Or it starts off correct and goes off on a tangent. But let us know if you would like us to do another one. And
I do know that there was a woman called Priscilla Diggerdag. Diggerdag. I'm pretty certain my story I've told you was correct, but I might be thinking about somebody else.
And if any of you ever get the chance to come to Lincoln and visit the castle,
come and see me.
Come and see Lisa for definitely. But the castle is a really good day out.
No, yeah, it really is, and it's free as well.
It's not free to go inside the castle though.
If you want to do the castle walk, you've got to pay for it.
No, but if you want to go into the castle and have a look round the actual inside of the castle where you can see the workings of the prison, you have to pay to go in.
Oh, I've never paid. I paid to go on the walls.
Yeah, no, you are supposed to actually pay to go into. You can go into the castle grounds and have a picnic, not a problem.
Well, still a good day out, guys. Right, that's your history lesson for today, guys. And while we've been having that history lesson, I've actually finished this nail off. So let's get it top coated. We've gone deathly quiet now.
We have. I think
we've worked our brains out. Yeah, we've had to exercise our brains with that terrible history. Oh my God.
Most of these people have switched off and fast forwarded.
Yeah, muted us. Oh, I knew I'd save the best one till last. I really like that.
That is definitely a Lisa nail.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
Right, pop down the lamp, let's get it cured and we'll get some cuticle oil on it. Sorry guys, I'm getting carried away with my terrible history lesson. I've just popped on some coconut elixir oil and there we are. We are all done. And we're also finished with your history lesson for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.